Meta released the Llama 4 series of models on April 5, 2025, which is their new generation of AI model series. This series includes three main versions: the Scout for lightweight deployment, the Maverick focusing on diversity, and the larger scale Behemoth. Each name reflects the features and positioning of these models. Let's take a closer look. One of the main features of the Llama 4 series is the adoption of the Mixture of Experts (MOE) architecture. This architecture is like an intelligent task allocation system where the model contains multiple specialized expert modules for different tasks. When processing input, the system first passes through a shared base module, then intelligently selects the most suitable expert module based on the task type. This collaborative approach allows the model to handle more complex tasks with fewer computational resources, improving computational efficiency while maintaining performance. In practical applications, this may result in faster response times and lower operational costs. First, let's take a look at the Llama for Scout. This is a model with 109B total parameters and 17B active parameters, equipped with 16 expert models. Notably, it can run on a single NVIDIA H100 GPU, indicating its relatively low deployment cost. In terms of performance, it supports a context window length of 10 million tens of millions, which is relatively rare among current similar models and is optimized for inference speed. In official tests, Scout performed well in multiple benchmarks. In the image understanding test .vq, it scored 94.4. higher than Gemma 3, 90.4, and Gemini 2.0 Flashlight, 91.2, in the Reasoning Ability Test MMLU Pro. It scored 74.3, outperforming Llama 3.3, 68.9, and Mistral 3.1, 66. Next is the Llama 4 Maverick, with a total of 400B parameters and 17B active parameters, equipped with 128 expert models, the most among three versions. This version supports a context length of 1 trillion and performs well in image and text understanding. In benchmark tests, Maverick demonstrated decent overall capabilities. It scored 90.0 in the chart comprehension test, Chart QA, higher than GPT-4o, 85.7, and Gemini 2.0 Flash, 88.3. It scored 84.6 in the multilingual understanding test, multilingual MMLU, higher than GPT-4o, 81.5. Notably, its operating cost is 19 to 49 cents per 1 meter input-output tokens, lower than GPT-4o's $4.38. Finally, there's Llama 4 Behemoth, a large-scale model with a total of 2T parameters, 288B active parameters, equipped with 16 expert models still currently in training. Its name reflects its larger model size. In preliminary testing, Behemoth demonstrated strong performance. It scored 95.0 on the Math 500 mathematical ability test, higher than Claude Sonnet 3.7, 82.2, and Gemini 2.0 Pro, 91.8. On the Live Code Bench programming ability test, it scored 49.4, outperforming Gemini 2.0 Pro, 36.0. These results show its potential as a foundational model. It should be noted that all the evaluation data mentioned above comes from the official test results released by Meta. Since the evaluation methods and environments for AI models may vary, this data is for reference only. Developers are advised to conduct independent tests in practical applications to verify the actual performance of the model in specific scenarios. In terms of technology, the Llama 4 series has several noteworthy improvements. First is its multimodal processing capability, which means the model can handle both text and visual information simultaneously and can understand the relationships between them. Second is the improvement in training efficiency. Achieved by using FP8 precision for training, the model reduces computational resource requirements while maintaining performance. Additionally, there's an expansion in training data. Llama 4 uses over 30 trillion tokens of training data, more than double that of Llama 3. Meta has also made some improvements in bias handling. According to official data, compared to Llama 3.3, The new model's refusal rate on political and social topics dropped from 7% to below 2%, and its responses on controversial topics have become more balanced. These adjustments may help AI assistants better handle information with different perspectives. In terms of applications, the Llama 4 series supports 200 languages, with training data exceeding 1 billion tokens for over 100 of these languages. This indicates its capability to provide multilingual services worldwide. Currently, these models are already available on WhatsApp, Messenger, Instagram Direct, and the Meta.ai website. Meanwhile, Meta has also provided open source versions that developers can download and use on Llama.com and Hugging Face. Of course, any technology has its limitations. While the mixture of experts, MoE architecture brings performance improvements, it also faces some challenges. Routing between expert models may become imbalanced, leading to some experts being overloaded. At the same time, deploying and maintaining multiple expert models increases system complexity. Additionally, while longer context windows provide the possibility of processing long texts, how to efficiently utilize this feature, avoiding attention dispersion and performance loss, remains an issue that requires exploration. Overall, the release of the Llama 4 series, especially its 10 million token context window, opens up new possibilities for AI applications. From processing longer documents to analyzing research papers, tasks that previously required segmented processing can now be completed more comprehensively. Although this technology is still evolving, it may bring about some changes in how we work. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section if you found this video helpful, but don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.